I'm heading to Playa de los Muertos, a beach south of Sayulita, well, south end of Sayulita. Coming out of town, there was a little sign that guided me up into the hills, which coincidentally just went right past where I'm staying. And now, according to this sign, that one, Playa Los Muertos, is this way. Let's go check it out. This beach is known for being a little less crazy and touristic than the main beach, so I wanted to check it out. And it's pretty early in the morning, so it's obviously not crazy yet, but just looking at it, it seems like it would be a little more calm than the main beach in Sayulita. Let's go check it out. Wow, what a view from up here. Climbed this big old rock right here, the south end of the beach. Check this out. Pretty nice over here. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm here at the north end of Playa Los Muertos, and there are some rocks, as you can see. Actually, rocks at both ends of the beach, but I'm at the north end now. Just hanging out down there by those umbrellas, and climbed up onto these rocks, which I would not recommend in bare feet, but in flip-flops it's not too bad. And you get up here, and you can see another little rocky, secluded beach, and then beyond that is the main beach in Sayulita. And I'm not sure if it's possible to get from Playa Los Muertos to the main beach in Sayulita, but I think it might be worth checking out. Maybe. We'll see. Making my way down to the secluded rocky beach here just to check it out. It's kind of cool over here. Look at this. Oh, some stairs. Could this be the way to the main beach? Or is this someone's private residence? Ah, that's cool. Dead end. Locked gate up there. I wonder if there's another way. Maybe down there somewhere. So I went down that way just a bit. And I bet maybe during low tide you could get around over there, but right now it's just a little too challenging. So I'm heading back. Heading back to the beach of the dead. Playa los Muertos. Back at Playa los Muertos. I'm gonna go for a quick swim. See how the water is. It's actually a little chilly. Chilly right when you get into it, but you get used to it pretty quick. It's not too bad. Not too bad at all. Leaving Playa los Muertos, heading up the coast to the next beach and up the hill. Somewhere on the other side of this hill is a gigantic beach. You'll see. Nice places here right on this corner. Shops. What I believe is a hotel. Maybe it's Hotel Amor. Can't remember. Continuing on. I believe there's a surf competition happening here today. There's a lot of people on that main beach. Obviously a lot of surfers too. I have to get out there and show them some tricks. The drowning man. The wipeout. Those kinds of tricks. Just stopped for a quick breakfast at Tierra Viva. Nice little restaurant. I had the huevos rancheros for $5.50 and a beer for $2.25. Pretty good deal and really, really delicious. Down to the main beach in Sayulita. Lots of places to sit down. I made it a little bit north of the gigantic crowds on the main beach in Sayulita. Much less populated now, as you can see. And beyond is another beach, according to my research. So I made it down to that small beach that I saw from the trail that was somewhere up there. The little secluded beach in this cove. There's a little cave over there. Go check it out. See what there is to see. You can go all the way through to the big beach if you come this way. Probably doesn't work out too well in high tide. This water just comes in. Woo! Wow! Look at that. What a way to arrive. It's a hot one out there on that beach, so I came into the trees for a little shade just for a minute. It's nice. There's very few people here. Certainly not going to be able to order any beers or food if you come here to the north end of Sayulita, but it's certainly worth the walk. Not sure if this is an event place or what. Lanterns up in the air and big giant tables. Nothing else. Literally no one else on this beach either, except for those people right there. And me. Walking back towards Sayulita. Decided to cut up into the neighborhood, do a little exploring. Some really cool places to stay around here, near the north end of town, including these places. There are all the names. Find myself on a second floor balcony overlooking the square, drinking a beer that I got at the public house for $5. Well, that was a hell of a day. I think I'll wrap up the video here. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a big old thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next video.